Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ervan Fajri. I'm from Department of Government Affairs and Administration, Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta. First of all, I want to say thank you for Borobudur International Symposium 2025. And here I want to present my paper. The title is Determination Analysis of the Success of Public Service Digitalization and Kampar Agency through the portal iSakti Kampar application. Introduction. Problem in the research object. In the context of the research object, Kampar Agency still has underdeveloped, remote, and isolated areas located in Kampar Kiri Hulu district. The underdevelopment of these areas include aspect of technology and information. And then in comparison, digital access remain limited with minimal community participation and technical issues persist in operating the application. Quoted in Ananda 2023. Can be seen figure portal Sakti Kampar application. The Kampar Agency government has implemented digitalization of public service through the library and archive service by launching the portal Sakti Kampar application to support information and knowledge and improve public literacy. The application featured two set of a book title as well as library registration good and other link. Next, research gap filling filling the literature and theoretical gap to determine the success of digitalization of public service in Kampar Agency. The problem formulation in the study is whether accountability, public participation, and collaboration have a positive and significant influence of on determining the success of public service in Kampar Agency. Uh, and then research method. This research employed a quantitative method with descriptive approach to describe the research result. The data collection method in this study involved with collecting data from respondents by having them fill out questionnaires. And then data management using sample as software to measure validity, reliability, and hypothesis testing. Hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, uh, accountability. Hypothesis 2, public participation. Hypothesis 3, collaboration. Positively and significantly affect the success of digitizing public service. Can be seen visual 1, research model frameworks. Result, validity test. It can be seen that the author loading value of several indicator and the service digitalization variable Y. So the extent to which this indicator can measure variable Y. The higher the outer loading value, the stronger the relationship between the indicator and variable Y, which it indicates that the indicator significantly influences the success of digital service digitalization. Therefore, a high order loading value indicate good contract validity. So this indicator can be relied upon to measure aspect relate the service digitalization effectively. Can be seen feature validity test. And then reliability test, the variable collaboration, public accountability, public participation, and digital service variable have Cronbach's value of 0.821, 0.723, 0.779, and 0.878. All of these Cronbach's values have exceeded the threshold value. According to Ghazali 2016, which states that the variable is said to be reliable if the composite reliability value or Cronbach's alpha reaches a value above 0.700. A hypothesis test based on the result of hypothesis testing show that collaboration and public participation have a significant positive relationship with the digitalization of public service. However, the result of hypothesis testing show that public accountability does not significantly affect the digitalization of public service because it is seen from the relative low test statistic value 0.8x6 and the high p-value 0.376. And next discussion, accountability hypothesis. They show that accountability does not have a positive and significant effect on variable y. And public participation hypothesis so that the test statistic value is the 2.56 to 6 and the p value is significant f value is significant 0.012 so that the public participation hypothesis has a positive and significant effect on variable y. And then collaboration hypothesis so that positively and significantly affect the success of digitizing public service with the statistical value for collaboration of 4.663 and significant p-value for collaboration 0.000 and supported by Ghazali theory 2016. And finally, conclusion, public participation and collaboration have a positive and significant impact on the success of digitalization public service. Manhole accountability does not show a considerable influence caused by several factors, such as the lack of competent human resource in the field of information technology, information inclusiveness, and the extent of data variance that pose challenge. To enhance the effectiveness of digitalization, it is recommended that the government adopt a more contextual approach, tailoring service digitalization strategies to local need and context. Future direction call focus on developing research strategies to enhance human resource capacity, particularly in areas such as information technology and data management. This is important to address existing limitation in understanding the variables studied and to compare the success of public service digitalization at the local level. And thank you and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.